Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I'd like to show you this fun fold using the bird's eye view stamp set. So it opens like this. And I just love the owls with their glasses, or the birds with their glasses. So this is the bird's eye view stamp set, and these are the glasses and the bird that I use. So here are the pieces that you're going to need. A card base measuring 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. A piece of DSP that measures 6 by 6, and I have a lovely template that you're going to follow along with me. And then one piece of cardstock, matching cardstock to the DSP, measuring 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then 2 squares of the same cardstock measuring 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. So let's start with the card base. It is, oh, and I forgot the other score was 2 1/8. So fold that this way. And then fold it this way. So it is going to be folded like that. So let's cut the DSP. Here is the template. And you're going to have 2 pieces of extra that you can do whatever you'd like with it. So first cut, you're going to decide which side. So I'm going to go ahead and use this side. The first cut, it says here, is the 4-inch. So set this aside for later. Then you're going to turn it and cut it at 5 3/8, because the card is not 6 inches. There's that first extra piece. Then you're going to turn it again, and you're going to cut it at 2. So I'm going to keep these together because they are these 2 pieces right here. These 2 pieces. So keep those together. Take my last 2-inch DSP, and I'm going to cut it twice, so at 2 and at 2 again. So I have, and this is extra, and I'm going to stack them on top of each other. That is allowed. And then I'm going to cut them diagonally. And there you go. That is all the cutting you need to do. And it makes a wonderful, whoops, sorry about that. It makes a wonderful design. So I'm going to pause for that so you can see the template. Lay that out. So remember, I saved these DSP, and they are right next to it. They match right there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Stampin' CLT at the top. Sometimes I forget. Let's go ahead and put some adhesive on the edges, just so they don't stick out or they don't pop off. I don't like putting it completely on the whole DSP, but where I think it's gonna just bubble up a little bit. So there. And then here's the fun part. For these 4 triangles, you're basically just gonna put them here and here and here and here. So you kind of make your own design. Reminds me of, like, I used to do this for scrapbooking with a lot of decorative paper to make frames for the photos, or mats against the edges, just like this. It so reminds me of that. I don't know if you guys were scrapbookers too before becoming card makers, but that was my favorite part of just framing up a picture. Then you're going to take this square, and that's going to fit right there. So again, some more adhesive here on the corners, and then center it there. And then these 2 pieces, I'm going to break out our birds and our memento ink here. Since they're going to be diagonal, I'm going to try to put the feet at the bottom like that. Wait, just wait. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Oh my gosh, there we go. Let's do the other cat's eyes. Doesn't that just make you smile? It does for me. Okay, so remember, and then you're gonna fold this up and they're gonna sit right here along the edge. So remember, you're only gonna put adhesive on the side. So here, I try to center it along there. Remember, it's only this side. And that is it, folks. Oh my gosh, the cutest fun fold ever. T for T, top. So this one I did with the pink, and then that one I did with the, is it lemon lime twist, to match the colors. And the paper I used was the Bright and Beautiful DSP that comes at 6x6, so it's perfect. There we go. And there we go in action. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Feel free to use these extra for another card, or you can embellish some in here. Oops, wrong one. Put it in here, or even on the back, whatever you'd like. Or you can use it for another card. So if you enjoyed this video tutorial, please like, share, comment, and I'd be happy to do some more of these fun folds. Thanks for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.